Hi Violin 2s. We're going to start off today doing some finger taps with the music for Modest March, and then we're going to move on and we're going to play it without the instrument. So we're just going to go straight through with the recording. Remember, you've got 2 measures rest to begin with. You start at measure 3. You play until you get to DS, sign al coda. You jump back to the sign at measure 3. Then you play until you get to the end of measure 16. And you've got your coda sign. So you jump to the coda and you finish off the piece. All right? Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, ready, go. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2, A, 1, A, D, 3, 3, 2, D, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, 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 1, D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2, A, 1, Alright, so that's our warm-up. You can repeat it if you want to do it anytime, alright? So you just pause this and take the little finger thing or the cursor back to the beginning of that part of this video. Alright, so let's have a look at how we're going to play this piece. Now we're going to do short little bows, tiny bows, okay? Not those big long bows that we've been doing, just short tiny bows. Alright, so it's going to be D, D, D2, D3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so I made a mistake. Let's do it again. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. Look how much bow I'm using. So small. And I want you to do that, okay? Just tiny bows today. Tiny bows when we're playing with this music because it's faster. And relax this hand, okay? You need to move those fingers and you need to hover above the D string. So it's D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. So I'm not going like this at any stage. I'm just hovering above the D string because I'm mostly on the D string. Okay. Now measure 5, we've got A1, A, D3, D2. Let's try that a few times. A1, 1, A, D3, 2. Again, A1. Alright, let's try those first 4 measures starting at measure 3. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. A1, A, 3, 3, D2. Good, now we go to D3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, 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 D1, let's do that whole thing up to measure 11. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. A1, A, D3, 2. Good. D3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, 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 D1. Measure 11. Let's go on. Do you want to do it again? Same thing? Let's do it. 1, 2, measure 3, ready, go. D. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. A1, A, D3, 2. D3, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, 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 D1. Good. Measure 11 is just the same. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2, A1, A, D3, D2, A, D1, 2, 3, 3, D1, 2, 2, 1, D, D1, D. Yeah, so a little bit of difference. Measure, we've got the DD2 at measure 11. 3, 1, 2. A1, A, D3, D2, A, D1, 2, 3, 3, D1, 2, 2, 1, D, D1, D. So now we're up to measure 19. Let's do from 11 to 19 again. Yeah. D, D2. Tiny bows. Relaxed hands. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D2, 3, 1, D2. A1, A, 3, 3, D2, A, D1, 2, 3, 3, D1, 2, 2, 1, D, D1, open D. Good. Let's play it with the music. So it's just like we played it, okay? But you'll hear the other parts playing. And the tricky part about this piece is to just focus on your music and when you have to play, okay? You can hear it in the music, but there's other stuff happening. There's other people doing other things. All right. So remember to count your rests and be ready to come in when you have to come in. So to actually be ready before the piece starts to play, okay? Here we go. Rest, 3, 4, rest, 2, ready, go. D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2. A1, A, 3, 3, 2. And D3, 2, 1, 1, D2, 1, D, 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 D1, D, 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 D2, 3, 1, 2, A1, A, D3, D2, A, D1, 2, 3, 3, D1, 2, 2, 1, D, D1, D. Okay, so that's that part. Now this part is easy for you guys, yeah? So we've got 19, it's just 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, D1, D1, 2, D1, 2, D. Let's try it. Find your D2, hover, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, 1, D, 1, 2, D. Oh, I got it wrong. Let's try it again. D, 1, 2, D is the last one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, D, 1, D, 1, 2, D, 1, Let's try it one last time and then we'll go on. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, D, 1, 2, D, 1, 2, D, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, A1, 1, A3, D3, 2, D3, 1. Okay. So measure 23, you've got that 2, 2, 2 again. A1, A, D3, 2, D3, D1. So A1, A, D3, 2, D3, D1. Yeah. Let's go from 23 again. D2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. A1, A, D3, 2, 3, 1. Again, D2. Ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. A1, A, D3, 2, 3, 1. Then we go back. D, D2. Measure 3. 3, 1, 2. Measure 5. Did you go back? That's all right. If you didn't, you know now. So we go back to measure 3, and then we play all the through. Let's go from 19 to DSL coda and jump to the sign at measure 3 from there. Okay, 19 we're starting. D2. This is piano, which means quiet. But then when we get to the E, we've got D1, loud. Forte. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, D2. D1, D1, 2, D, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, A1, A3, 2, 3, 1, D, D, 2, 3, 1, 2, A1, A3, 3, 2. Did you jump? Yeah, I hope so. Let's try it again. 19, going on. 1, 2, D2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. D1, D1, 2, D1, 2, D, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. A1, D3, 2, 3, 1, D, D, 2, yeah. 3, 1, 2, A1, 3, 3, D2. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, D, 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 D1. And then we go on, we keep playing, and then we get to the sign our coda. So at the coda, we've got D1, D, 1, 2, 3, 3, D2, A, D. Then we retake our bow and we do our down bow with a 2. Like that. So it's 1, D, 1, 2, 3, 3, D, 2, A, D, and D2. Coda starts piano, really quiet. So let's try it again. Low, 1, and then going to D. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, D, 1, 2, 3, 3, D, 2, A, D, D2. That's it. Let's try the whole thing. We're going to play with the music, and you can practice that for this part coming up here as many times as you need. So just you can rewind it till the beginning of this, okay? So get ready to play. Find or hover your 2 because you're going to play D, D, and then 2. Here we go. That's 2, going to, right now we're going to do it, I'm going to play violin too, and I'm not going to speak, so you can just hear the music and you can play along. All right, here we go. Measure 19. Measure 3. Measure 5. Measure 7. Measure 11. Measure coda. And 2 fingers. Okay. I hope that was helpful. So I made some mistakes. Could you do it without my mistakes? I bet you can. See you soon.